Hello everyone. This is the fourth lecture in general topology. In the previous lecture, we have defined two types of topologies on the real line. One is standard topology or usual topology, or we can call that as Euclidean topology. And the second topology what we defined on the real line is lower limit topology. Also, we have proved one of those lemmas based on basis of a topology. By using that lemma, in this lecture, we are going to compare these two topologies, standard topology and lower limit topology defined on R, whether they are comparable or not. If they are comparable, then which topology is finer than the other one. What is standard topology? Let X be the real line and B be the collection of all open intervals in R. This B forms a basis. And this basis generates a topology, and that topology is known as standard topology on real line. This standard topology on R is also known as Euclidean topology or usual topology on R. The second topology we defined is lower limit topology. Let B be the collection of all semi-open intervals of the form AB, where it is closed at A and open at B. It can be very easily checked that this collection of semi-open intervals on R forms a basis. And this basis generates a topology, and that topology is known as lower limit topology. Lower limit topologies are denoted as RL. Now we are going to show that lower limit topology is finer than standard topology. To show that lower limit topology is finer than standard topology, we are going to use one of the lemma based on basis which was discussed in the last lecture. The lemma says that let X be any set and B1, B2 be two bases for the topologies tau1 and tau2 respectively on X. Then the following statements are equivalent. The first statement is tau1 is finer than tau2. That means tau2 is a subset of tau1. And second statement says that for each x belongs to X and each basis element B2 in B2 containing that point X, there must exist a basis element B1 of B1 such that X belongs to B1 is a subset of B2. So by using that lemma, we are going to prove that lower limit topology is strictly finer than the standard topology on R. Let tau1 be the lower limit topology on R and tau2 be the standard topology on R. We are going to prove that lower limit topology is finer than standard topology. That means tau1 is finer than tau2. Since tau1 is the lower limit topology, tau1 is the topology which is generated from the basis consisting of all semi-open intervals of the form AB, which is closed at A and open at B. And T2 or tau2 is the standard topology on R. So T2 is generated from the basis consisting of all open intervals of the form AB of R. We have to prove that tau1 is finer than tau2. That means tau2 is a subset of tau1. So to prove tau2 is a subset of tau1, as we have seen in the lemma based on basis, we have to take a basis element of tau2. This tau2 is the topology which is generated from the open intervals of R. So we have taken a basis element AB of tau2. Let X be a point in this basis element. If we can show that there exists a basis element of tau1 containing X and that basis element of tau1 is a subset of the open interval AB, we can very easily find out a basis element of tau1 containing X. Because tau 1 is the topology which is generated from the collection of all semi-open intervals. So we can form an semi-open interval like this xb, which is closed at x and open at b. This semi-open interval contains the point x, and this semi-open interval is a subset of AB. So here we have, for a basis element AB of tau 2 and for x in AB, there exists a basis element xb of tau 1 such that xb contains x and this semi-open interval xb is a subset of AB. So this is a basis element of tau 1. This is a basis element of tau 2 which satisfies this condition. So by the lemma what we have proved earlier, by using that lemma we can say that tau 1 is finer than tau 2. But the statement says that tau 1 is strictly finer than tau 2. That means if we take an basis element of tau 1 is the topology which is generated from a basis consisting of semi-open intervals. So we have taken a semi-open interval, suppose 1, 3, which is closed at 1 and open at 3. This is a basis element of tau 1. For this basis element, we cannot find an open interval containing the point 1. We cannot find an open interval of the type AB which contains the point 1, and that open interval is a subset of 1, 3. So tau 1 cannot be a subset of tau 2. So here we can say that lower limit topology is strictly finer than the standard topology on R. Let us consider an example on the real line. Let K be the set of type this 1 upon n, where n belongs to the set of positive integers. Let B be the collection of all open intervals AB and all sets of the type AB minus K. That means from the open interval AB, we have removed the points of K, because here K consists of points like 1 upon n, where n belongs to the set of positive integers. Clearly, this collection B is a basis for some topology on R, because if we see the definition of basis, it says that for every x belongs to x, there exists a basis element which contains that point. And the second condition says that for every point in the intersection of two basis elements, there exists a third basis element which contains that point, and the third basis element is a subset of the intersection of first two basis elements. So it is very clear. If we take any point on the real line, we can find out a set of this type AB, which is a basis element, contains that point for any point. So first condition is satisfied. Similarly, the second condition will be satisfied if we take two open intervals and intersect them. If their intersection is non-empty, then for every element belonging to the intersection of two open intervals, there exists another smaller open interval containing that point, and that smaller open interval is a subset of the intersection of first two open intervals. So the second condition of the basis is also satisfied. So this collection B is a basis for some topology on R. This topology, the topology which is generated from this basis, is known as K topology on R. Some authors write this K topology as Smirnov's deleted sequence topology. This K topology on R is denoted as RK. Lower limit topologies are denoted as RL. Standard topologies are denoted as R itself. And K topology on R is denoted as RK. Now we'll show that K topology on R is strictly finer than the standard topology on R. Let tau1 and tau2 be the K topology and standard topology on R. We have to prove that K topology is strictly finer than standard topology. That means tau1 is finer than tau2. That means tau2 is a subset of tau1. As we have seen in the previous lemma, that to prove this tau2 is a subset of tau1, we can take a basis element of tau2 containing some point x. If we can find out a basis element of tau1 containing that point is a subset of tau2, then we can show that tau2 is a subset of tau1. Let us consider the basis element AB of tau2, because tau2 is the K topology on R. That means this is generated from the basis B, which contains open intervals AB and all intervals of the type AB minus K. So we have taken an interval, open interval AB of tau2, and for each x belongs to this basis element AB, there exists some basis element of tau1. This AB solves the purpose because tau1 is the standard topology. So basis elements of the standard topology are of this form only. So we can consider this AB itself is the basis element of tau1, which contains the point x, and this basis element of tau1 is a subset of the basis element of tau2. So by that lemma, we can say that tau2 is a subset of tau1, or tau1 is finer than tau2. How it is strictly finer? Since Rk is strictly finer than R, as basis elements of the K topology around 0, if we take the 0 on the real line, basis elements around 0 are of the form AB minus K. Let us take a basis element around 0. We have taken the open interval minus 2 to 2 minus K. This is a basis element of the K topology containing the point 0. Here 0 belongs to B, but there doesn't exist any open interval containing 0. That means we cannot find an basis element of the standard topology, that means an open interval containing 0, which is a subset of this B. So here we can say that standard topology cannot be finer than K topology. So K topology is strictly finer than standard topology or usual topology. Another observation is that lower limit topology and K topology are not comparable. We cannot compare these two topologies. Let us take this semi-open interval 0, 1, which is closed at 0 and open at 1. This is a basis element. This is a basis element of the lower limit topology containing 0. But there doesn't exist a basis element of type this AB minus K containing 0. And that basis element is a subset of 0, 1. We cannot find such type of basis element containing 0, which is a subset of the semi-open interval 0, 1. Similarly, if we take a basis element minus 1, 1 minus K, which contains 0, is a basis element of Rk. But there doesn't exist a basis element of type AB, semi-open interval AB, containing 0, which is a subset of this. So lower limit topology RL and K topology RK are not comparable. We cannot say that RL is finer than RK or RK is finer than RL. Let us consider the real line with different topologies and check which subsets are open in which topology. Here we have the real line with us. Let us consider the open interval 1, 2. The open interval 1, 2 is open in R with usual topology. This we know that because this is a basis element, because in usual topology, the basis of the usual topology contains all open intervals of R, and this is a basis element. 1, 2 open interval is a basis element, so this is open in R with usual topology. Is it open in the cofinite topology? If we recall the definition of cofinite topology, in cofinite topology, any set is open in the cofinite topology if its complement is either empty or finite. But if you take the complement of this open interval 1, 2, the complement of 1, 2 is minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. This is neither finite nor empty. So this open interval 1, 2 is not open in the cofinite topology. Let us take the interval, semi-open interval 2, 3. This semi-open interval 2, 3 is open in R with lower limit topology, because this is a basis element of the lower limit topology. So it is open in R with lower limit topology. But this interval 2, 3 is neither open in R with usual topology, nor it is open in R with cofinite topology. Why it is not open in the usual topology? Because for the point 2, we cannot find an basis element. Basis element in the usual topology are open intervals. So we cannot find an open interval containing the point 2, which open interval is a subset of this 2, 3 semi-open interval. So this semi-open interval 2, 3 is not open in R with usual topology. Similarly, this set is not open in the cofinite topology, because we know that in cofinite topology a set is open if its complement is either finite or all of X, but complement of the set 2, 3 is infinite. So this 2, 3 is neither open in R with usual topology nor open in the cofinite topology. Let us consider another set, that is R minus 0. That means we removed the point 0 from the real line. If we can rewrite this R minus 0 as minus infinity to 0 union 0 to infinity. It is open. It is open in R with usual topology. That means in standard topology, it is open because minus infinity to 0 is an open interval. So it is open in the real line with usual topology. Similarly, 0 to infinity is also an open interval. So it is open in R with usual topology. And we know that union of two open set is again open. So this minus infinity to 0 union 0 to infinity is an open set in R with usual topology. So R minus 0 is open in R with usual topology. Let us consider another set R minus 0. Here we have removed the point 0 from the real line R. Is it open in R with cofinite topology? Here, if we take the complement of R minus 0, we will have 0, a singleton set 0, which is finite. So complement of R minus 0 is a singleton set 0, which is finite. So this R minus 0 is open in R with cofinite topology. So here we have seen that R minus 0 is open in R with usual topology. Also, this set is open in R with cofinite topology. Now let us define order topology. Let X be a set with simple order relation having more than one element. Let B be the collection of all sets of following types. The type 1 set is all open intervals AB in X. Second type of sets are all intervals of the form A naught B, where A naught is the smallest element of X, if any. If X contains some smallest element, then all sets of this type A naught AB, where it is closed at A naught and open at B. Third type of sets are all intervals of the form A B naught, where B naught is the largest element of X, if any. That means if X contains a largest element, then all intervals of this type A B naught, which is closed at B naught. So B contains these three types of sets. If there is no smallest element in X, then B doesn't contain sets of B type B. Similarly, if there is no element in X which is largest, then B doesn't contain sets of type C. We can easily check that this collection B satisfies the conditions of basis. So this B is a basis for some topology on X, where X is a set with simple order relation. And that topology which is generated from the basis B is known as order topology on X. Let X be the real line R. Since X is a set with simple order relation, we can define order topology on X. As we have seen that the order topology is generated from the basis B, where B contains three types of sets: all open intervals, all intervals of type A naught B, where A naught is the smallest element if there is any, and all intervals of type A B naught closed at B naught, whereas this B naught is the largest element of X if there is any. But here in the real line, we don't have a smallest element and we don't have a largest element. So in this case, B contains only sets of type A, because there doesn't exist any smallest element or any largest element in R. B doesn't contain type B and type C types of sets. B contains only sets of type A. That means here B contains only open intervals of R. As we have seen in the standard topology is the topology which is generated from a basis where the basis contains open intervals of R. Here also we have seen that this B contains only sets of type A, that means only open intervals of R. B generates a topology which is order topology, and it is same as that of standard topology. Hence, the order topology on R is same as defined as standard topology on R. So in this lecture, we have studied different types of topologies on real line, standard topology, lower limit topology, cofinite topology. So here I am giving some questions which we will discuss in the next lecture along with other topics like subspace topology. The questions are: let X be a 3-point set and tau1 and tau2 be two topologies on X, where tau1 is equal to empty set X, set containing A, set containing AB, singleton set C, and set containing AC, and tau2 be the empty set whole space X, singleton set A, and set containing 2 points BC. The question is, find the smallest topology containing tau1 and tau2. That means you have to find out a topology, third topology, tau3 on X, which contains tau1 as well as tau2. There is a chance that there are many topologies, there may be more than one topology on X which contains both tau1 and tau2, but you have to find out the smallest topology containing tau1 and tau2. The second question is, find the largest topology contained in tau1 and tau2. So you have to find out another topology on X which is contained in tau 1 as well as in tau 2. There may be a chance that there exists more than one topology. So you have to find out the largest topology contained in tau 1 and tau 2. Second question is, if X is any set with topologies tau 1 and tau 2, is union of tau 1 and tau 2 a topology on X? Third question is, let X be any set and P be a particular point in X. Let tau be the collection of subsets of X containing following two types of sets. Type 1, empty set. Type 2, any subset of X which contains the particular point P. That means let X be any set and P be a particular point in X. And tau be the collection of subsets of X which contains following types of sets. Type 1 is empty set and type 2 is any subset of X which contains the particular point P. The question is this collection tau a topology on X?